Hello everybody, my name is Jumpin' Jackson and welcome to my channel. I'm your Rebound fitness influencer and today I'm going to be talking about the difference between running in shoes and running in rebound boots. Stay tuned.
Sure, Billy. Watch on my wrist, but I want that diamond. Niggas talk crazy when I pull up in sight. Hey,
First of all, if you like any of the information that I'm presenting, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my content to the world. Thanks in advance. Now, running is the oldest, efficient, cheapest way of jumpstarting your fitness goals, okay? It'll improve your cardiovascular system, and that improves the chances of weight loss, okay? But unfortunately, well, over time, if you stretch before and after you work out, you wear a good pair of shoes, and you have good body mechanics, you can protect your joints as long as you can. But unfortunately, not forever. When you run, you produce a high amount of pressure on three major joints. You have your hips, your ankles, and your knees. And over time, those areas will start to ache and pain. Now you do things like, put warm compressors on your knees and try to, soothe them as much as you can. But as you continue this journey of running with high impact on these areas, it's going to start to wear and tear. And that's why Rebound Boost was created. It takes 80% of pressure off those three main areas and giving you the best workout, efficient workout without exhausting your joints. Okay, let me tell you, a lot of people don't work out nowadays because it's such a painful approach to do it nowadays. So what we have is a low impact protection system that we call it that helps decrease the 80% pressure off your knees. You have your top shell, your bottom shell, and your tension bands. Now these entities all work together to give you the 80% of pressure off your knees. That's an amazing invention. Like, I'm not exactly sure why it's not in everybody's household right now, because most people as they age, they're going to need at some form of a joint replacement. Maybe, maybe not. It all depends. Everybody's body is different. However, I am a nurse and I do see a lot that comes in the hospital and the operating room. So, period. But anyways, in addition to running, you can dance in them, you can box in them, or you can sashay away, honey. Yes. Or just plain on walking. You can always start walking inside the home. It's, your home until you get comfortable. Most people start in front of the television. So right now I have an example of a gentleman that's bouncing in the boots now, very slow. And I'm doing this because I want you to pay close attention to the top shell, the bottom shell, and the tension bands. As you can see, the top shell, the bottom shell, they're all coming, and they're increasing or decreasing the pressure that's coming onto your three main joints. It's such a genius idea. It's like, I can't believe, at a certain point in your fitness goals, as you age, that it's gonna come to a time you're not gonna be able to do a lot of things. And so I can just only imagine if God said the same, when I get into my 70s, I'm gonna be jumping all over the freaking place. I'm gonna be that old man jumping, having fun, laughing, giggling, and just enjoying myself. And I'm thankful that there is an invention that can help produce. And Jumpin' Jackson, like, how do you get a hold boost like that? Good question, and I have a great answer for you. It's called Fitboots. Fitboots is an amazing product. It's owned and it's ran CEO by Darina Rigo. She is amazing. Rebound Boost is great. The Fitboots are great. They, you work on your stomach, back, your butt, for the girls, abs. It's a wonderful, wonderful product. It jumpstarts your calories by 25%. So you burn that much more, jumping opposed to just running, because you jump, run. For me, I can burn anywhere between 1,200 to 1,500 calories in 45 minutes because it really does. It's a fun workout, and it just gets your heart going, and you add the right music to it, honey. You could be doing your whole salsa dance, you can do techno, you can do hip hop, you can do anything. How much do they cost, Jumpin' Jackson? I think you're failing to realize how much it costs. So with these boots, they can range between $200 to $300. There is a 100% money back guarantee that Darina put on there. So if you get them and in 30 days you're like, this is not as what I expected to be, I can return it in. But $200 could be kind of still a lot of money. So that's why Darina have offered options for installment plans. So you can also start off with a small installment plan, and you can try out that way and see if that works out for you. And that's even less money. So it's a great product. I recommend each and everybody to at least give it a try. I think that most people, when they try the product out, that first initial response is, oh my God, I'm gonna fall, I'm gonna fall, I'm gonna fall. And that's why I did a video like electrocution. It just comes thundering down. And then before you know it, like in a minute or 2 minutes, you're jumping. They'd be like, oh my God, jumping Jackson. I thought that when I got in the boots, it's gonna be like rollerblading. And I'm like, no, it's not like rollerblading. You definitely, when you put the boots on, it's a lot heavier than what you expect it to be. So the boots can weigh 2 pounds per boot. So, and then you got the tread at the bottom, and it helps create like a resistance on the ground. So you're able to get your balance. If anything, it's going to help improve your balance. That's why it's good when you do purchase your first pair to walk around the house in, just so you can get comfortable with it, because it doesn't take a while to get comfortable. But if you have high anxiety for falling and you're a very anxious kind of person, then you may want to start off with walking. From my experience, I just started jumping right off the back. When I got in the boots, I was like, oh my God, this is so dope, So everybody reaction and response to the first time is going to be quite different. However, I'm always available. So if you have any questions, please do bring them my way. I am always willing to talk about the many benefits of the products and how it has been life-changing for myself, and it's also life-changing for many people in my family as they're beginning to jumpstart. Like I said, the weight loss part of this cardiovascular workout is amazing. It jumpstarts 25%. So, if you're in 30 minutes of jogging, if you normally burn 300 calories, you can potentially burn 500 or a little bit more with just jumping for that 30 minutes. Isn't that crazy? Because, high impact is a low impact activity workout, but then it's also, when you're jumping up and down, it is like high intensity workout. So you are using an explosive amount of energy to be able to jump up. That's why it works on your core. One of the first things you'll recognize is your stomach muscles will start to strengthen as you're doing the jumping. And then, for a nurse like myself, we do a lot of turning when we're doing our patients, using, our body. And one of the biggest things is back injury because of the core muscles. The core muscles are weak. So your body has a way of compensating by using your back. And then that's where all that, begins to go downhill. So for me, I love the fact, because honey, you get your 6-pack, for the summer, summer's around the corner. And I know everybody want to bang in, or at least, you want to look good, fit in some nice outfits that you've been looking at in your closet. And, this is a great way to start that whole goal, is through rebounding through Fitboots. Please do. Again, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to comment below. I'm also going to put my link down so you can be able to go and check out the boots. And again, if you have any questions, please do comment below. And I hope that I love this content, and have a wonderful day. Bye now.